Welcome to the fascinating world of cell biology. In this video, we'll explore the structure, function, and various types of cells. Understanding cells is crucial. They are the building blocks of all living organisms. Let's embark on this journey to reveal the intricate details of life's smallest units. Let's start with the structure of a cell. The cell membrane acts as a protective barrier, regulating what enters and exits. Within this boundary is the nucleus, the command center of the cell, harboring genes and controlling activities. The cytoplasm, a gel-like medium, surrounds the nucleus and houses organelles. Mitochondria, the cell's power generators, convert energy to fuel various functions. Ribosomes, though tiny, synthesize proteins necessary for growth and repair. These components work together harmoniously, creating the foundation of every cell. Understanding these structures is crucial as they play integral roles in all living organisms. You'll see how these structures enable cells to perform essential functions. Now let's explore how cells perform their essential functions. Cells are like tiny powerhouses, producing energy through their mitochondria, fueling them to thrive and function effectively. Ribosomes synthesize proteins, the building blocks of life. Cells also undergo division, allowing reproduction and contributing to growth and healing processes. They employ various transport mechanisms to move materials in and out, ensuring essential nutrients and molecules reach where they're needed. As we delve deeper, you'll discover how these processes create a dynamic system within every living organism. Understanding these functions is key to grasping the complexity and beauty of biological life. Stay with us on this journey into the heart of cellular activity. Finally, let's look at the different types of cells. Prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria, are simple and lack a nucleus. In contrast, eukaryotic cells, which make up plants and animals, are more complex and contain a nucleus. Additionally, specialized cells perform unique functions essential for life. Remember, the diversity of cell types enables the vast array of life forms on our planet. Next, we'll bring everything together with a recap of what we've learned and why understanding cell biology is so crucial. Stay tuned. To recap, we've covered the structure, function, and types of cells. Understanding cell biology is fundamental to all biological sciences. Keep exploring and learning more about this fascinating subject.